First off, in a significant political development, BJP MLA in Manipur held a crucial meeting on Tuesday at the party's head office, which is in Tambal Sanglen in Imphal. The primary agenda of the meeting revolved around the ongoing delimitation exercise in the state, which sparked intense debate among political parties and civil society organizations. Speaking after the meeting, BJP MLA Y. Khemchand Singh confirmed that decisions focus on the delimitation process, while MLA K. Robindro revealed that BJP legislators are proposing to defer the exercise for the time being. Senior BJP leader Govindas Kantojam further emphasized the necessity of implementing the National Register of Citizens, also known as NRC, before proceeding with delimitation. Earlier, other political parties, including NPP, JDU, Communist Party and AAP had already voiced their opposition to the delimitation exercise, calling for its postponement. Meanwhile, pressure is mounting from civil society organizations led by COCOMI, which argues that conducting delimitation in Manipur without addressing the issue of illegal immigration could severely impact the Meitei communities and their political representation. According to party sources, 12 BJP MLAs participated in the meeting with a recommendation to form a committee to address concerns related to delimitation process.
What exactly is the meeting all about?
For delimitation.
What are you people discussing? What are the proposals that you want to make to the center?
Just the draft is going on.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Meeting regarding the delimitation.
And what was the stand from the BJP?
It's whatever happened before we were elected for the rectification.
Rectification of all the electoral.
It's going to delay for the whatever the Supreme Court decided. It is going to delay for the Manipur. So in between, before for the whole 2026, it's going to happen for the whole India. Before that, we have to rectify amount. Yes, sir.
तो अब हमारा प्रेसिडेंट मैम साहब है, इसे पूछ लीजिए. हम बोलने का कोई ये इजाज़त नहीं है. जब इजाज़त नहीं तो मैं क्या बोलूँ?
नहीं, आप सीनियर मेंबर है और हमें सूत्रों से पता चला है डिलिमिटेशन एक्सरसाइज के बारे में.
नहीं, हमारा अध्यक्ष जी बैठे हुए हैं, इनसे पूछ लीजिए. थैंक यू. डिलिमिटेशन को लेकर के जो जनता चाहे वही चाहता हूँ ना.
आपको क्या लगता है?
नहीं, पहले से हम लोग ये कोर्ट में गए हुए हैं. 2001 सेंसस को रिव्यू करें. हाँ, इसके पहले तो कुछ जरूरी है.
As pressures are mounting upon the legislatures, particularly in Valley area, BJP MLAs on Tuesday held, just a while ago, held meeting at Tambal Sanglen. That is BJP head office, and they discussed about the proposed delimitation exercise, which is slated to be, conducted in northeastern area. While coming out of the meeting, BJP MLAs, particularly Y. Khemchand, K. Robindro, and others BJP MLAs said that the NRC is an ultimate necessary before the exercise of this delimitation in Manipur. While on the other hand, COCOMIs and other civil society organizations have already stated that the delimitation exercise in Manipur will be very detrimental to the fate of majority Meitei. This is Mubashir Razi reporting for Hornbill TV.